Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devi and you are watching Just Devi Marie. So welcome to Keto Week 3. Today is Monday and we're gonna be continuing on the keto diet this week. I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe. If you haven't, remember to like this video. If you haven't checked out the previous 2 videos on my keto journey, keto diet, please go ahead and check those out. Those will be in the description so you guys can check those out. Also, please remember to check out my other channel called Yardmans. That link will also be in the description. But anyway, let's get into today's video. So I'm going to be eating now. It is like super late. It's like 2:20 and I'm going to be eating my first meal of the day. So I'm going to show you guys that in a second. This is the salad that I'll be eating today. The salad consists of carrot, lettuce, cabbage, and sweet pepper. I've also added cheese, ranch dressing, and you guys have probably never seen me eat this before because I'm not really a fan of avocado, but it is a big keto food. But I'm eating a slice of avocado which I've cut up and put in this, and of course the salad has some bits of chicken on it, so that's what I'll be eating. I won't be drinking the LaCroix sparkling water today. I'll just be having regular water. So this is my salad. I'm really hungry today, but it is like almost 2:30, so I can understand why I'm like really hungry. So I'm just gonna grab on this and yeah, I'll see you guys when I eat something else. So it's super late. It's about 9:25 now and I'm just having something else to eat since the salad that I had for lunch at about I think 2:30 or 2:15, sometime there. So I am having half of the lavash bread again. Love this stuff, guys, like seriously love. And then I'm having 2 slices of turkey breast, and I also spread some cream cheese on the lavash bread, as you can see here, and then I put some cheese and some relish on the top, and I'm just gonna roll them up and eat them. And then I decided to have a LaCroix or LaCroix, I don't know how to pronounce it. I decided to have a sparkling water with this, just for a little extra something, even though I know say it's not my favorite. But yeah, this is what I'm going to eat, and I'm not going to eat anything else for the day. I need to actually make my jello because the one I had made from last week just finished like since yesterday or today. Yesterday, yeah, I had the last of it yesterday, so I need to go ahead and make another one. So yeah, I need to go ahead and do that so that I can have something sweet to eat if I feel like. So yeah, this is what I'm eating. Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of week 3 on keto. This is the salad that I'm having. It's basically the same salad I had yesterday. I wanted to boil an egg, but I'm just so hungry right now. It's actually 3:30 and I'm just eating. This is my first meal of the day. So same chicken, ranch dressing, carrot, cabbage, lettuce, sweet pepper, cheese, chicken. Yeah, that's what's in the salad. And I'm having one of my LaCroix, I think that's what it's called. I'm having that sparkling water in the orange flavor. I know I tell them taste bad, people, but I kind of get used to it. But yeah, this is what I'm having for my lunch, so I'm gonna eat this now. Hopefully my belly is full because I am so hungry. Okay, just eating now my second meal of the day. It's now 10:36. Yes guys, I know it's really late, but I also did eat lunch at like 3:30. So yeah, I have some crushed Vienna sausage, some cheese on top, half a lavash bread, and some cream cheese. That's what I'm gonna grab on. I'm gonna drink some water, and this is my last meal for today. This is keto day 2 in week 3. So yeah, this is what I'm eating tonight. Really late, but couldn't do no better. Happy keto day 3 of week 3. So today is Wednesday, and this is what I'm having for lunch. I'm having I guess 2 wraps. I'm gonna just cut this in half, but what I have here is some vegetable from my salad left over, the last of it, some relish on top here. I have some cheese on the bottom and some chicken right here. from my lunch yesterday, so I didn't have a lot of it, so I just decided to make 2 wraps with it. So that's what I'm gonna be eating today, and then I'm gonna be drinking the LaCroix lemon flavor. First time I'm trying this flavor, so we'll see how it goes. But yeah, this is what I'm eating today. Super hungry. It's now 2:35, so it's pretty late as well. So yeah, this is what I'm eating for lunch today. Hey y'all, so I'm having my second meal of the day. I'm having a cucumber cut up with a can of tuna with some cheese in there, some mayo, some onion, some paprika, some crushed red peppers, and black pepper. Yeah, that's what I'm having. So I'm gonna grab on that now. It is currently 8:30. And I think I'm gonna have some sugar-free jello tonight. I did go ahead and make it, so I think I'm gonna have that because I haven't had something sweet in a little while. So yeah, and I'm gonna be drinking water with this. So this is my second meal on keto day 3. Today's Wednesday, so yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, happy keto day 4 in week 3. Today's Thursday. I'm having my first meal of the day. I have a chicken breast and wing, and I have 1 entire lavash bread with some cheese inside, so I'm gonna eat this for lunch. And I'm also gonna be drinking my lemon LaCroix for my lunch. So this is what I'm having today. I'm excited about this because this look good. So I'll see you guys when I'm eating something else today. So today is Saturday in week 3 of keto. Now I have some explaining to do because the last clip that you would have seen was breakfast or lunch I should say on Thursday. Now on Thursday evening I went ahead and had 2 turkey breast slices with some cheese and maybe some relish. I don't know if I did anything else, but that's all I had in the evening. And then Friday I actually was out of town at a family event. So I actually ate the food that was there. Now the food was, and I'll show you a clip of what the food was. So it was like a box food: rice and peas, chicken, vegetables, pasta salad. Now I did eat some of the rice. I didn't eat all of it. I didn't eat most of it actually. I ate some of the rice, so a couple forkfuls of that. And I also had the chicken, and I had the vegetables and the pasta salad. Now the pasta salad was very little bit. So yeah, so I know I would have gone over my carb intake. Also there was cake there, and I did eat that, but I did drink water. I never had any juice or anything like that, so I did drink water. Yeah, that was what happened yesterday for lunch. I think I took a clip of what was left in the box, so I took a clip before, and then when I was finished eating I think I took a clip as well, so I'll insert that somewhere here. Also when I came back in the evening I did go ahead and have a lavash bread with some leftover chicken that I had, a little piece of chicken breast and some cheese. That's what I had. I actually was having a headache yesterday, so I did have to drink some mint tea, and I did put some sugar in there. I did put some sugar in my mint tea. So yeah, and I had to have a few crackers as well because I was going to take medication. People, I don't know why I'm just been so sick recently. Not sick, but I just have not been feeling the best. I don't know if it's because of the diet or what, I'm not sure, but I had a really bad headache and I had to take medication for it because it was really bad. It also could be post-cycle because I do usually get a post-cycle headache. That's really bad. So everything just kind of happened at one time, eh? Yeah, but yeah. So today is Saturday morning. Actually, the time is now what? It's 11 o'clock already. Oh my gosh, the time is literally flying. It's 11:04. And I'm just gonna eat my breakfast. I would have showed a clip of it. So for breakfast this morning, I actually have it right in front of me here. I'm having 2 turkey breasts. That fell. I'm having 2 turkey breasts, an omelette, a 2-egg omelette, with some cheese on a lavash bread, 1/2 of it. The half that I would have left back from yesterday. So I'm eating that. I also fried the lavash bread this time. I put some garlic butter on it and fried it. And that's what I'll be having. So it's egg, lavash bread, and turkey breast and cheese. So that's what I'm going to be having. I'm just actually going to roll it up like so, and make like a almost like a breakfast burrito. So this is what it looks like. So I'll just be eating that now. So have my water bottle here. Wow, what's a big piece of ice. Yes, I'll just be drinking water. Fly. I hate the flies. Yes, I'll just be drinking water with this. So I know that I would have gone over my carb intake for the day yesterday, but honestly, people, this is real life. And I didn't feel like I shouldn't have shown you. I did show you because I decided to take you guys along with me on the journey. So I did show you. I'm actually going to a hotel this weekend as well. So that will be interesting. As I say, like if my feast is something I'm feel like more want to eat it, may I go eat it. But I'm still gonna show you. I'm hoping to get in some workout while I'm at the hotel as well. I'll probably keep you posted on that if I actually do. But yeah, I'm going to the hotel this evening. Today's Saturday, as I mentioned before. So I'll try to record as much as I can for you, but I also want to live in the moment and enjoy myself. So I'll try it as best as I can to just document what I'm eating, show you guys, but also if I don't get to show you guys or take clips of what I'm eating, I'll probably just come on here and just tell you guys what happened, because I mean week 3 is about to wrap up tomorrow anyway, and I'm about to start week 4. So yeah, who knows, maybe after my day at the hotel I decide I don't want to go back from the keto, I don't know. But that's just how the week go. I mean, yes, I'm still, to be honest, I think I'm pretty consistent with the eating. Yeah, I think I'm pretty consistent with the eating and stuff like that. And I've been feeling okay apart from the little things that I've been having, which I've been telling you guys about. So for the most part, it's going fine. As I say, like I know that sometimes I'll want things and it's not like I'm eating them all the time, but if I see something and I feel like okay, I'll have it, yes, in moderation, but I'm right back on it. Like this morning, actually yesterday evening, I was right back on eating my low carb stuff. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I don't feel like I failed or anything. It's just that you live in the moment. Like it's not every week I go on a hotel, not every week I have an event to go to. So yeah, I just make it fit in with my life. I not make it around my life, but I just incorporate it in my life. So anyway, as you can see, or can tell, I have my hair deep conditioning under here. If you guys are wondering about my headgear, so that's why I'm looking so. So yeah, I'm trying to prepare for later as well. Trying to pack and get myself sorted out, get my house sorted out, because I don't want to come back and have to be doing all these things. So yeah, I think I might vlog, or we might vlog on my other channel called Yardmens about the hotel. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, stay tuned for that. So I'm gonna finish up eating now and do the rest of the things them, and I guess I'll try to show you guys what I'm eating later on when I'm at the hotel, because I don't think I'll be eating anything else until then. Okay guys, so I'm at the hotel now, as I was telling you guys in the previous clip. This is what I'm having. They don't really have a wide selection, so I'm having some Parmesan chicken and some roast chicken and a salad. I'll check out the desserts later, but if I eat the dessert, I will let you guys know what I'm having. But yeah, this is what I'm having for dinner. Still keto friendly. Yeah. Alright, hey guys, I'm just coming on here to do a wrap up of week 3 of keto. So the last time I would have spoken to you guys, I would have told you all that I was at a hotel, and I showed you what I ate for dinner. I did also eat some dessert, so I'll insert the clip of the dessert that I ate, and I did actually have some rum cream after that, and I did actually have some fries after that later in the night. So yes, people, I did eat, but you know, as I say, is real life. And then that was Friday, that was Saturday night, I should say, and then Sunday, because today's Monday. I totally was not able to film the ending of this video on Sunday as I usually do. So today is actually Monday, and a new week will be starting today. Keto week 4 will be starting today, so stay tuned for that video as well. But yeah, that's what I had. And then for breakfast on Sunday morning, because I would have arrived at the hotel on Saturday night, so for breakfast on Sunday morning, I did have some scrambled eggs, some sausage, and some potato. I do think I did have orange juice that day, but as I say, I just real life. But overall, this week wasn't bad. I feel like my body was kind of regulating now, like it was kind of, you know, like I wasn't having a lot of PPPing, and my energy was back up and stuff like that. So I feel like I was kind of getting into the groove of things. But of course, you know that I came to a hotel and whatever, and I mean, I didn't plan to necessarily eat the worst, but also if I wanted to eat something, I would eat it. So yeah, I am going to be starting week 4 today. I'm still at the hotel, as you probably can tell by the surroundings. I'm gonna go to the gym and yeah, work out. So this week as well, I wasn't able to work out 4 times. I was only able to work out 3 times. 4 times is usually the amount of times I work out for the week. But I wasn't able to work out 4 times last week. I only was able to work out 3, which is fine. That's okay with me. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep continuing on the keto diet and see how far it takes me. Also, because I'm still at the hotel, I wasn't able to weigh, so I have no idea how much I weigh this week to tell you guys. But next week I'll be sure to get back on track. Not that I came off track really. And then I will have my weight for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's keto week 3 update. If you guys are doing keto, please comment in the comment box to let me know how I want to stay. That's my husband there, right there, walking in the frame because he extra. But yeah, let me know how you guys are managing on your diets or on your fitness journey or whatever it is that you're doing. We can start a conversation in the comments down below. Yeah, please remember to subscribe if you've enjoyed this video. Please remember to like it as well, and check out the other videos apart from my keto journey, which are in my realistic fitness journey playlist. You can check that out, so check out those videos. Also remember, I have another channel called Yardmans. The links to that channel will be in the description, so if you guys want to check it out, you can do that. But thank you guys again for watching another episode of Just Devi Marie. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.